The aliens are calling. 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 The aliens. This is the series where I tell you a story, its subsequent theories and explanations, and then I let you make up your mind. Were the aliens calling Earth on the 15th of August 1977? This is the story of the WOW signal. While working on the SETI project at the Big Ear Radio Telescope of the Ohio State University, then located at the Wesleyan University's Perkins Observatory in Delaware, Ohio, Jerry R. Eman detected a strong, narrowband radio signal. The entire signal lasted for 72 seconds and was never detected since. A short affair then. It appeared to be coming from the northwest of the globular cluster M55 in the constellation of Sagittarius, near the Chi-Sagittari star group. Subject to a lot of media attention, many astronomers have tried to find the signal again. In vain. Yeah, when a woman says no, she means no. Eman was so impressed by the relative resemblance of the expected signature of an interstellar signal, he circled the signal on the computer printout and wrote "Wow" with an exclamation mark on the side. Hence, the WOW signal. Wow! The circled alphanumerical sequence is the intensity variation of the signal. Each character represents 12 seconds. Numbers 1 through 9 correspond with an intensity between 1.0 to 9.9. The letters represent intensities above 10.0, A being the lowest and between 10.0 and 11.0. U was the highest intensity between 30.0 and 31.0, 30 times higher than deep space background noise. I think my brain is melting. Two different frequency values have been given, both 0.0498 kHz away from the hydrogen line, which stands at 1420.40575.177 MHz, one above and one below. This line is very significant for SETI researchers, because hydrogen is the most common element in the universe and the most likely frequency on which a strong signal could be sent by extraterrestrials. E.T. phone home! The bandwidth of the signal is less than 10 kHz, since every column represents 10 kHz and it's only present in one. It would be easy to believe the signal was from alien origin. However, it was never detected again, even after many searches, notably some by Jerry Eman himself, and it was said to come from the constellation of Sagittarius, a relatively empty region of space. But that's also in doubt, because the Big Ear Radio Telescope made use of two horns, each pointed in a slightly different position, and it is unknown through which horn the signal came. So if not E.T. phone home, then what? Eman himself was very skeptic on the fact that it was from alien origin. He even doubted it was from outside the solar system. He postulated they were from earthbound origin, maybe even the military. A satellite or a signal reflected off space debris. However, The last is unrealistic, and moreover the frequency on which it was sent is prohibited from use because it's reserved for astronomical purposes. So that's why I only hear incomprehensible mumbo jumbo from that frequency. A natural radio source, like a pulsar or a quasar maybe. Okay, but why wasn't it detected again? Equal to a satellite, these natural sources should have been detected again and again. And that's just didn't happen now, did it? Again and again and again and again and again and again. Sorry. From July the 27th to August the 15th, two previously undetected comets called 266P Christensen and P2008Y2 Gibbs were supposedly in the vicinity of the Chi-Sagittarius star group. As the sunlight breaks down the frozen water on the surface, hydrogen surrounds the comet and forms the comet's tail. The signal, as we discussed, had a frequency around the hydrogen line, and the H2 could have released its radiation at that time. That is at least what Professor Antonio Paris, an astronomer at the St. Petersburg College in Florida, believes. Radiation is hazardous for your health. A new WOW signal was picked up in 2010 by SETI in a fairly busy area of space in the vicinity of the TYC 1220/91/1 star. The star is a yellow G2V type star, much like our own sun but older, and about 100 light years away. Unlike the 77 signal, it was detected and tracked in real time on a frequency of pi multiplied by the hydrogen line frequency. It also exhibited the Doppler effect, much expected from interstellar signals. Another enigma then. So did ET phone phone us? Or was it just another boring coincidence? You decide. Did you like the video? Click the like button. Leave comments or start a discussion in the comment box. If you want to see more, you can subscribe to my channel. I have a vlog channel, so if you want to get bored, why don't you check it out? And you can follow me on social media. All links in the description. See you next time!